Hello, health and wellness warriors. Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, your trusted space for natural remedies and eco-conscious living. Today, we're exploring an incredible gift from nature that offers not just health benefits but also environmental and cultural value, the fascinating sea almond, also known as Terminalia catappa or Indian almond. Get ready for an exciting and knowledge-packed journey. Let's kick things off by talking about what you can eat. The seeds of the sea almond tree are not only edible, but they also taste remarkably similar to regular almonds. These little gems are packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, nutrients that your body absolutely craves. Add them to your diet as a wholesome snack or sprinkle them over salads and desserts for that extra crunch and nutrition. Who knew something so tasty could be so good for you? And the fruit of the sea almond has a sweet and tangy flavor, cherished in various cuisines. In Jamaica, it's even turned into a delightful treat called harmon drops, a perfect example of food meeting tradition. Now, this is where the sea almond truly shines. Did you know that its leaves, bark, and seeds have been used in traditional medicine for centuries? The leaves are a treasure trove of antioxidants like flavonoids and tannins, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body. This can reduce oxidative stress, a major culprit behind chronic conditions like heart disease, cancer, and even premature aging. Sea almond leaves also play a key role in supporting liver health. They help detoxify the liver and are traditionally used to manage liver-related ailments. And for those dealing with inflammatory conditions like arthritis or skin issues, extracts from the leaves and bark can work wonders by reducing inflammation naturally. But that's not all. These magical leaves have antimicrobial properties, which means they can speed up wound healing and protect against infections. Plus, there's promising research showing their potential in regulating blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for managing diabetes. And let's not forget about the heart. Compounds in the seeds and fruits have been linked to improved cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol levels. It's like this tree has a built-in health toolkit, ready to help you thrive. The benefits of the sea almond go beyond personal health. This tree is an environmental hero, especially in coastal regions. Its strong root system stabilizes soil and protects against erosion, making it a frontline soldier in preserving our precious beaches. And for those of you with aquariums, sea almond leaves can be a game changer. When added to the tank, they release tannins that help maintain water quality, lower the pH, and prevent infections in fish. Talk about bringing nature indoors in the best way possible. Even in urban spaces, this tree offers massive benefits. Its broad canopy provides much-needed shade and reduces the urban heat island effect, making it a popular choice for landscaping. And of course, it's a magnet for biodiversity, supporting birds, insects, and other wildlife. What I love most about the sea almond is its deep cultural roots across the globe. In Jamaica, it's called harmon, and cracking open its nuts is a cherished activity, bringing families and friends together. Over in India and Southeast Asia, its leaves and bark are used in traditional remedies for ailments ranging from digestive issues to skin inflammation. And did you know that the bark of this tree is also used to make natural dyes? Depending on the preparation, it can produce beautiful shades of yellow, brown, or olive, making it an artist's dream. As you can see, the sea almond is not just a tree, it's a healer, a protector, and a cultural icon. Whether you're looking to improve your health, make your mark on the environment, or explore traditional remedies, this tropical treasure has something for everyone. If you enjoyed today's deep dive into the wonders of the sea almond, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the word about this incredible gift from nature. See you next time on WeSo Health Tips.